What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today, family, I would like to bring you update number 2 of the herbs that I have sown for the Planet Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2023, y'all. Oh yeah, it's update number 2 for the herbs that I have sown for the Planet Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2023, fam. So let's start down here with the thyme, y'all. What is the thyme looking like? Check it out, y'all. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah, the thyme is looking pretty good, y'all. Yeah, that immunity booster, fam. Check it out. Moving right along, fam. We had a German chamomile. Oh yeah, we had a German chamomile. Ooh, check it out, fam. Yeah, the German chamomile is looking really good, y'all. Check it out. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna keep it moving, y'all. Next up, y'all, we had a peppermint. Oh yeah, we had a peppermint, fam. It's coming along pretty good. Yeah, the peppermint looks pretty good. And of course, we had the lemon balm, y'all. Yeah, the lemon balm looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice, fam. But family, you know it's always a hard head in the bunch, y'all. You know it's always a hard head in the bunch. So, you know, if you recall on update number 1, I had germination on 4 of my herbs, y'all. But it's 5 herbs in this contest. So next up, fam, I had a rosemary, y'all. So did we get germination, y'all? Did we get germination? Let's check it out. I see green, fam. I see green. Oh yeah. We have germination, y'all. Oh yeah, fam. So that is update number 2 of the Planet Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2023, y'all. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.